Hi, all you cool people out there. I just wanted to show you what I did this weekend. I changed my oil on our 2003 Dodge Ram 1500 truck, and it uses 7 quarts to fill this engine, and it needed it. It was so dirty and disgusting. I didn't change it that long ago, but as you can see, it's all yucky and dirty and ugh. So, um, yeah, that's what I did there. And then I looked at the battery and I saw all this acid on
Put a
top.
little bit of
So I
water
put a
in
little water
a
in a
bottle of
sprayer
water
bottle, and then
in a
I
sprayer.
grabbed the baking soda and I poured a teaspoon in there and I shook it really good, mixed it in really good. And then I sprayed it for about a half a day. No, I'm just kidding. I sprayed it for a few minutes and I made sure it was all neutralized. I could hear the bubbles sizzling, the acid making noise as it was being neutralized, and um, and I just got it all around. And you can see all the bubbles just sizzling right there. And I keep spraying some more just for the heck of it. Make sure it was really, really, really dirty. And this is something anybody can do, and you don't have to be afraid. Okay, so just spray it, and then you're gonna get a paper towel and just wipe it clean. That's all you do. And I left a little residue there on the top, as you can see. I cleaned it up, and that's what it should look like. Let's go back to the original picture when the battery was all dirty and full of acid and dirt and everything. So all that acid becomes a conductor, and if it creates a path from your negative post to your positive post, it creates a direct short. And what it can do, it could fry something like your computer or another component, and you really don't want that because then it becomes very expensive instead of just doing it and getting a little box of baking soda with the sprayer bottle and a paper towel. That's all it takes. You can save yourself a lot of money and a lot of pain. So if you take care of your car, it'll take care of you. It'll make you money by getting you to work, and it'll keep you safe. Thank you for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.